Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I do want to give you guys an update what is happening with the entire cryptocurrency market today, and of course Bitcoin itself. And as usual, okay, I want to show you guys some Bitcoin charts today, and there is in fact two charts that are in fact indicating that Bitcoin will be reaching at least over $200,000. I know a lot of you guys, a lot of people out there want to know where the top will be for Bitcoin. Now, realistically, guys, okay, no one for sure knows where Bitcoin is heading. No one knows where the top will be for Bitcoin. All we know, okay, is for sure is that Bitcoin will be in the six figures. We know Bitcoin will easily reach $100,000 to 150 to potentially even $200,000. These targets are easily going to happen. Okay, I talked about this in yesterday's video, right? So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, in today's video, I want to talk about it, right? Because I really do believe that Bitcoin will be reaching over 200K. And I really do believe, 250 to 80, okay, $280,000 is going to happen. And yes, I do want to show you guys a chart showing you that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach at least over $280,000. Now, I see a lot of predictions, people saying, it's going to reach 300K and beyond. Very, very possible. I agree. Okay, even 400K and 500K, those price targets, right? 400K to 500K. Personally, okay, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I am 50-50 on those targets. But I know that, beyond 200K to be even beyond 300K is for sure going to happen. Very, very possible. Okay, so that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. But let me go ahead and show you guys what is happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, okay, $67.3 thousand right now. Okay, Bitcoin is not really moving. If it goes to the 4-hour time frame, okay, y'all just clearly see we saw Bitcoin moving up to the upside. It went as high as $69.4 thousand. It did in fact form this uptrend, and ever since, okay, then Bitcoin has been pretty much holding strong at this level of $66 to even $67,000. Okay, y'all just clearly see that. So Bitcoin today is still not really moving. Okay, Ethereum today is actually down. Right, let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. Ethereum today is now back down at $2.5 thousand. Okay, which is, yeah, Ethereum is down 2% today, guys. Okay, I have no idea why Ethereum is down 2%, but it seems like, okay, someone out there is obviously selling. And yeah, this is huge potential right now to buy some Ethereum, right? It really, really is. Do you see Ethereum reaching at least like $10,000 in the next upcoming bull run? Like, I truly do see that happening, right? And I'm pretty sure all you guys can agree with me on that one, right? But yeah, Ethereum right now, $2.5 thousand. Great time to buy some Ethereum. Look at Solana, $172, pretty much $173. Solana is up 5% today. For the past week, Solana's up 13%. Right? Crazy. That is absolutely amazing to see for Solana. Solana is still pumping. Okay, it is still, moving up to the upside, which is absolutely amazing to see. And I really do see Solana, one of those altcoins reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching back up to its previous all-time highs. I think that is very, very possible, right? Chainlink right now, okay, still holding at $11. Okay, and actually today it did drop further down to the downside, just the tiniest bit. Okay, nothing too crazy though. But yeah, Chainlink is still holding very strong at $11. So yeah, the market today overall is down over 1%. Global crypto market cap still above 2.3 trillion, which is great to see. But yeah, today we're not seeing huge movements for altcoins, including Bitcoin, but some altcoins are pumping. Okay, y'all can clearly see Uniswap's up 3%, ICP 5%, right? Y'all can clearly see Sui, okay, 6%. Great to see for Sui, okay, now at $2. And we know, guys, Sui did obviously reach a new all-time high, right? We know that. So many more other altcoins will do that in alt season. Okay, and we know alt season is obviously right around the corner, right? But yeah, today a fair few alts are pumping, doing its own thing, but a fair few altcoins today are not really moving, and Bitcoin today is still holding strong at $67,000. Okay, so we're gonna get days like this, right, where we don't see much movements, but I'm here to tell you guys right now, very soon, the market will change. A bull run is coming. We know that Bitcoin will skyrocket. A lot of altcoins will skyrocket. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is a strategy. Okay, if you want to buy Bitcoin, if you are investing into Bitcoin for long term, right, you have that mindset of investing into Bitcoin for long term, and we all, right, should have that mindset when we are in fact buying into Bitcoin, investing into Bitcoin, right? You don't want to invest into Bitcoin for short term, guys. You simply want to invest into Bitcoin for long term. Bitcoin has store of value. It's a hedge against inflation. Why wouldn't you, invest into Bitcoin for long term, right? So understand, guys, this is the strategy. Very, very simple, right? This is the strategy, okay, for Bitcoin, okay? This is the real strategy to buy Bitcoin, guys. Okay, you simply want to buy, okay, when it's pumping, right, and when it's dropping. Okay, mainly when it's dropping, right? Yasin's clearly when it's dropping, that's when you really want to take action and buy in, right? Even when it's at the bottom and no one knows where the bottom is, that's why you want to simply DCA. And obviously, DCAing is a great investing strategy. Okay, so understand, guys, okay, you simply just want to DCA into Bitcoin for as long as you possibly can, for a lifetime, to be honest with you guys, right? Bitcoin is truly one of the best, decentralized and scarce asset out there, okay, to invest in for long term, right? It really, really is. So if you simply want to build wealth, guys, you got to invest your money into assets. And I highly suggest you guys to put your money into Bitcoin, not financial advice. Always do your own research. But this is the power of DCAing, guys. Okay, not a lot of people want to buy when it's dropping, right? But that's when you really, really want to focus in and buy as much as you possibly can, right? So DCA, guys. Okay, very, very simple. DCA. Okay, so that's that. DCA for long term. So we know, guys, that your selection is in fact coming up very, very soon. So 13 days left, less than 2 weeks time, guys. And then we're going to see the US selection. And we know, guys, that Donald Trump is in fact in the lead by almost at least over 25%, right? I was going to say almost 30%, right? So yes, there is in fact a very, very high chance that Donald Trump will win this election and become president. And when he does, obviously, this will be super bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, because I know a lot of people out there that are in fact Bitcoiners, that are in fact in the crypto space. They want, Donald Trump to become the president, right? Because obviously this will be bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. We know how bullish, okay, Donald Trump is with Bitcoin, right, and crypto, okay, especially Bitcoin. So that's why a lot of people out there want Trump to win, okay? And Yasin's clearly see from this chart, every single time we have the US election, okay, every single time right after it, what happens? Bitcoin skyrockets, okay? This time around for this year, 2024, I don't see why it will be any different. There will be a pump, so I hope you guys are ready for that, okay? Now, look at this, guys, okay, cup and handle pattern. We know gold, okay, to the left here, did in fact form this cup and handle pattern, okay, and recently, okay, it did pump, right? We know gold right now is moving up to the upside, okay? Gold is pumping, okay? It did in fact have a breakout, and Yasin's Kulisi is looking very, very similar to what Bitcoin is doing, right? We know Bitcoin is also forming a cup and handle pattern. We know that, right, for the longest time now, and very, very soon, okay, we're going to see a breakout, okay? As I told you guys many times, this is a key level to watch right over here, right? Once we see a very, very clear breakout from this resistance line, it will reach a new high. And from there on, it's going to be history for Bitcoin, and that's when Bitcoin is on the road to at least $100,000 and beyond, okay? So all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, get ready for that, okay? So it seems like what happened with gold, okay, with this cup and handle pattern, and we saw a breakout, it's going to happen with Bitcoin, okay? So get ready, okay? Now, $290,000 for one Bitcoin. It may sound crazy, right? It may sound crazy right now, but guys, this is very, very possible. As I told you guys at the beginning of this video, Bitcoin reaching over $200,000 to even 300K and beyond is very, very possible. Okay, I know I keep repeating myself on that, guys, but I just really want you guys to get your head around that, right? It's going to happen. Bitcoin will be worth that much for one Bitcoin. And this is why, guys, I've been telling guys many times to accumulate one full Bitcoin. Simply owning one full Bitcoin, okay, you will become very, very wealthy in the future. Okay, because we know Bitcoin can go much higher than 300k, 500k, 800k to a million, right? It's going to be worth millions of dollars. You guys have to understand, Bitcoin one day, okay, will be worth millions of dollars, not just 1 million, millions. And that's why I've been telling you guys to accumulate one full Bitcoin. Because if you simply own one full Bitcoin, you will have a lot of wealth in the future. You will have freedom. Okay, you will obviously become a multi-millionaire just by owning one full Bitcoin. And there's only 21 million Bitcoins out there. In fact, it's less than that because around 5 to 6 million Bitcoins have been lost forever. So realistically, we have only about 15 to 16 million Bitcoins, which makes it even more scarce. Like 21 million is already scarce itself. Lower than that, that's even more scarce. So just think about that, guys. Not everyone around the world can own one full Bitcoin. Not even all the millionaires, okay? Not even all the millionaires in the world can own one full Bitcoin. So just think about that, guys. Get to one Bitcoin. This is your chance right now. Okay, even when Bitcoin is pumping to like 100k to 120 to 150 DCA. Like I said, guys, you want to simply DCA for a lifetime. You want to use a strategy, right? So that's that. But yeah, this is the last chart that I wanted to show you guys for today's video. Bitcoin bull run target is $280,000. Okay. And this chart, it's just clearly showing you, okay, that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach at least $280,000. Okay. Now it could go even higher than that. Okay. There's a very, very possible chance that we could see Bitcoin reaching over $300,000, even reaching 400k to 500k. Okay, anything is possible for Bitcoin. We will see, guys. Right? So time will tell, but understand. Okay, all my Bitcoin holders out there, I truly, truly do hope you guys are ready for a $280,000 Bitcoin because it is coming. And this chart is just clearly showing you guys that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach over $200,000. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready for that. Right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. I know for the past few days, Bitcoin hasn't really been moving. It feels kind of boring right now. I understand. Bitcoin, it is so close back up to its previous all-time highs, back up over $73,000, around $73,700. It's not too far off. Right now it's trading at 67k. This is time to be bullish, guys. Okay, even though yes, it's consolidating at its all-time highs, how can you not be bullish? It's almost back up to its previous highs. Bitcoin is literally about to skyrocket and honestly about to reach a new all-time high. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.